Hello and welcome to HYCU. In this video, I'm going to review how to customize your backup policies as well as use custom storage buckets for more granular control of where your backups are stored. In my finance project in Google Cloud Platform, I've created two new storage buckets. A development bucket that will write to cold line storage and a production bucket that will write to multi-regional storage. I can see here below it the default bucket that was created by HYCU in our previous video. Now I'm going to add those buckets to HYCU and then customize my backup policies. I'm going to click on the Bucket tab and then add a new bucket. I'll see the two custom buckets that I created. First, I'll add the development bucket. And then I'll add the production bucket. Now both of those buckets are available for use in custom policies. Now let's edit our policies. Now I'm going to edit my storage policies to use those custom buckets that we created. I'm going to select my gold policy and then edit it. I'm going to change the name to Gold Custom. I'm going to continue to back up every 4 hours, but I think I'm going to increase the retention to 4 weeks from 1. I'm also going to edit the bucket to that new custom production bucket that I created in multi-regional cloud storage. I'm going to continue to use faster stores. Faster stores allow us to recover data more quickly, and I'll keep the default 6 snapshots. I'll click Save, and now my policy has been updated. Now I'm going to edit the bronze policy. I'll click Edit. I'm going to rename this one Bronze Custom. I'm going to continue to back up once a day and keep my data for 1 week. I actually think I'm not going to use faster store anymore, so I'll disable that because I don't really need fast recovery for my development machines. I'm going to change the custom bucket to the development bucket that I created, which is on Google Cloud Storage Cold Line. I'll hit Save, and my policy has been updated. Creating custom buckets and editing your policies is as easy as that. I hope you enjoyed this video from HYCU for Google Cloud Platform. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at google@hycu.com.